Hey guys, Jason Geiman here with PressureWashHelp.com. Today I'm going to show you why it is important to make sure your water tank has a lid on it and you have a water filter before your pump. So the complaint was the pressure washer is not building the right amount of pressure. It was working okay for flow on the bottom side, but on pressure side running your surface cleaner, it wasn't working good enough for the pressure washer. So today I'm going to show you what can cause that. And again, when I went to look to see what the problem is, the lid was not on, so it's allowing garbage in there. And for whatever reason, I did not put a strainer on here. So what I did is, what it is you have your 6 caps here. These just screw on there and they screw in there. And when you open up a cap here, you will see that there is a check valve in there. When we pulled this check valve out, here's the check valve, you can see it has plastic and crap in it. And if it allows these check valves not to open, or they keep it open, you will not build pressure. This will cause your pressure washer not to be able to build the pressure it needs. And so this is a problem. So the solution is, for now, is to clean out all the crap out of all these check valves, and 2, put an inline filter on this main line coming into your pressure washing pump. A lot of mine, I put a filter coming in to the tank, but obviously if the tank is open, it does you no good. And this is dealing with employees and stuff like that. So if you are having pressure issues with your water pump, pressure washer, that is a good place to start and check to make sure those check valves are open and they don't have crud in them. Because if they got crap in them, they will not work, and they will cause this thing. It can make it feel like a machine gun sometimes. It will do, you will lose pressure. It will do all kinds of stupid stuff. So with that being said, if you want to learn more tips on building pressure washing rigs, check out this video up here. If you want to learn about Google AdWords, check out and get leads for your business, check out this video here. Thank you and have a great day.